Okay, hey guys. So today we're doing a little bit of a different type of video. I've had a lot of people ask me this. How do I get MEE6 to do something like this? How do I get MEE6 to announce when I upload a video or if I go live? So today we're going to be going over how you do that. If we go up to Discord, as you can see, I've created a fresh new server. As you can see, brand new, nothing here. So what we firstly need to go and do is go to top.gg. This is where all the Discord bots are now sat in. So we're just going to wait for this to load, and then you get all the bots. What you can do if you want is click this bit, top voted Discord bots. MEE6 will be here. What you want to do is open MEE6. It'll send you to this. You could go straight to this link instead. I'll leave that in the description, as well as the top.gg for all the bots. Then what we want to do is click add to server. It's going to open this. It's going to ask you to log in with your Discord and everything. If you've not already registered your Discord, it's going to ask you to register it. So as you can see here, it says already go to dashboard. So what you want to do is go scroll down until you find your Discord. So I just need to find it. It's here. And then add bot to, then the server, continue, keep all of these checked, and then I'm not a robot. Then that's what that's going to do, is that's going to add the bot, as you can see. Then now what you want to do is, if you want, go to your server settings, go to roles, create a new role, and call it bots. Whatever you do want to do, customize it however you want. You know, you can keep it them perms, save changes, move that to the top above the actual role if you wanted, and then give the bot that role. So if I do this and make it display like that, as you can see, it now displays as a different role. Let's go to our dashboard. So to get it to announce YouTube videos, what you want to do is you want to click YouTube. You want to enable the plugin, and then it'll take you here. So you can customize it if you want, or you could leave it how it is. As I've just left it how it is for now until I've sorted it. You want to pick your channel you want and then search for a YouTube channel. So I'm going to put mine in. Okay, so then what you want to do is put your channel in. So there's mine. And then what you want to do is click save. You want to wait for that to save, and then as you can see, done. If you wanted to add more than one YouTube channel, you'd have to buy the premium. If you click premium, then you can go here. As you can see, every month it's $3, or you could get it for $35 a month. Well, that's for yearly there. I don't, as I don't have more than one YouTube in. Then you can have like your welcomes, messages. And basically this is how you do it. As you can see, custom commands. If you are having any issues with the bot, leave a comment or even tag me in my Discord. I'll be sure to give you some help. And yeah, let me know what else, if there's anything else you want me to help you with, like with bots. If there's is there any other bots you want to have help with, like a administration bot, a welcoming bot, accounting bot, anything you want, let me know and I'll be sure to do my best to help you out. Also, we are at 140 46 subscribers. I do have 85.6% of all my viewers aren't subscribed to me. So if you are one of them, why don't you consider subscribing? It's free, and in the future you can decide if you want to decide you can always unsubscribe to me. Anyway, this Discord Alliance. Bye guys.